A reenactment of the Forward Raven Parade. The men move forward, announcing the beginning. They kneel in respect, humbled by what is to come. Their arms proclaim in unison that yes, we will go forward. The ancient cart arrives. The woman stands solidly against the wind, pointing us onward without hesitation. She is accompanied by 2 mysterious ravens who will guard and protect her. Is this a frail old man? Was he once a king? He gazes in the shadow of this beautiful woman, carried along by the strength of the ravens. We do not know how he feels about riding in the parade. Another woman solidifies the parade, pointing us onward and forward. More ravens are needed. They keep the parade in balance and secure its drama. They are never fooled. Standing men announce the parade's end. They might be mercenaries. They may not even want to be in the parade. In unison they offer their final gestures.